Hey guys, so here's a quick review of the Roxon Spark Multitool. Bought this from Amazon. Comes with a nice little pouch. So you have the main pliers. Not bad, feels pretty good. Here's the knife. Looks pretty sharp. And I think here you have all your other multi-tools. Can opener, screwdriver, things like that. Also comes with a saw. I think that's the one here. And I think this also has a flintstone. Good for like camping and such. And I think if you wanna just goes like that, I think just spark it. Not bad. Got this for like $34 on Amazon, so not bad. Good for like day hiking or just in general. Can even fit in your pocket.